Going whole hog, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, going whole hog. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in everyday conversation. But what does it really mean? Let's explore this expression together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use whole hog with confidence. The phrase, whole hog, originates from a time when going the whole hog meant using the entire pig, without wasting any part of it. In modern English, this idiom has taken on a figurative meaning. When someone goes whole hog, they're committing to something fully and completely, not holding back any effort or resources. It's similar to other expressions like going all out or putting your all into something. Understanding the history of an idiom can often help us appreciate its usage. Whole hog has its roots in American English, dating back to the early 19th century. It was commonly used in the context of political commitments, where someone would support a cause or a candidate without reservation. Over time, the phrase has transcended politics and is now used in various situations, from personal endeavors to business ventures. Let's see how whole hog is used in different sentences. 1. When Julia decided to remodel her kitchen, she went whole hog, choosing the most expensive appliances and materials. 2. You can't half-heartedly start a business. If you're going to do it, you have to go whole hog. 3. The team went whole hog in the final match, giving everything they had to win the championship. Notice how in each example, whole hog illustrates a complete and compromised effort or action. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use certain idioms. Whole hog is typically used in informal situations. You can use it when talking to friends, narrating a story, or in casual writing. However, it's best to avoid it in very formal or professional contexts where more straightforward language is expected. There are variations of whole hog that you might encounter. For example, going the full hog, or the whole enchilada, conveys similar meanings. Each variation still emphasizes the idea of completeness and total commitment. And there you have it. You're now ready to go whole hog in using this expression in your daily English. Remember, idioms like this one can add color and personality to your language. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun. If you enjoyed learning about whole hog, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and go whole hog with your English learning journey.